Hi everybody! Today I'll be carving this reverse bowl eating spoon. You saw me axe out in one of my recent videos, so for everyone who asked how I carved them, this is the video now. So I already carved one here, you see. So I decided in the end to make the bowl a bit smaller than I axed them out, so I have to adjust this one now to this one. So this will be the end product here. See? Okay, let's start. So I'm starting out with Mora 106, so let's begin. First I'll just carve everything to the line here. So I want to remove all the irregularities of the axe work. So see, this is very nice wood. This is wild cherry. Finish is really nice. And this is green wood now. So carve it green, then it dries, and then the finishing cuts to make it smooth and great. Okay, this is the basic shape. So now I'm going to compare with this one. And I need to make this a bit smaller. So it's because it's a set, you know. So I did this one smaller, so I will adjust it now. There is a little knot here, but I think we're gonna remove it, so it's gonna be, yeah, it's gone, so that's great. Okay. What happened last time in the woods? I lost my good marker, the black one you usually see. So I had the backup one. This is the blue one. It's crap pretty much. It stains a lot, so, but hey. It's always important to have backup stuff in the woods, especially for markers and pens and stuff like that. You're gonna lose that stuff. If it falls on the ground in the woods, it's like it's fallen in a black hole or something. You won't find it again. So now I'm going to clean this part here, and I'm doing really a cut I wouldn't recommend for anyone starting out. So don't do this cut. It's dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. So, but I love using it, so I don't care. Okay, we cleaned it up nicely. So let's compare these two. Okay, should be close enough. See, this blue staining is terrible. I hate this marker, but I need to buy the black one, new black one, several of those. Okay, this looks good. Now I'll do the ball. So now for the ball I'll be using this large corp. All this usually goes much faster, but filming myself and actually carving, yeah, it would be great to have a cameraman. What you gonna do? I haven't done this bowl shape probably in 2 years. I don't know. just going to clean up the edge here. Okay, I finally got rid of this ugly blue marker. I need to buy a new black one, that's for sure. Yeah, it's looking better. Nice and clean. So let's compare now. Yeah, I think we are doing good. So this is going to be a set. I decided to do a bowl a bit smaller because it's for a lady, so you know. And of course you have to pay attention to these things. You see, when the neck is really thin in this dimension here, it has to be thick here, so we retain all the strength of the wood. This is not steel, it's wood. So it's very important to, and of course I want a really nice, elegant neck, but we need thickness here if you're thin here, so you can't break it. Well, you know. Okay, let's clean up the bowl now. Just cleaning it up nicely now here. This is some nice cherry wood, so it's gonna be good and clean, you see? Yeah, looking good. Now I'll just clean the back of the bowl. So let's compare them. Yeah, looks like a nice set here. So nice couple of eating spoons with reverse bowls. So yeah, looking good. So now just need to dry, and it dries in a day or overnight. So, and then the finishing cuts to make it super smooth. And you see, I love this elegant curves. All the curves need to be flowing. You see? So when it, you see, it has to be just right. So we're just going to do a little bit here more. Yeah, this looks good. So now it needs to dry, then the finishing cuts and decoration. So, well, I'm just going to do a little bit more cleaning here, because I like to do like 98% of the work here, and then just really very thin cut in the end as a finishing cut, just to make it super smooth, so everything is knife finish. And that's it. One eating spoon, all done. Thanks for watching.